10 types of plagiarism every researcher should know. The most frequent problem that any researcher runs into when preparing a research paper or dissertation is plagiarism. Before creating the report, the well-known plagiarism checking tool Turnitin divides plagiarism into 10 types. In this video, I will show you 10 types of plagiarism that researchers should be aware of and avoid. What is plagiarism? The use of another author's words or ideas without permission and passing them off as one's own original work is known as plagiarism. Copying and pasting someone else's work into your own is known as plagiarism. 10 types of plagiarism: clone plagiarism, Ctrl+C plagiarism, find replace plagiarism, remix plagiarism, recycle plagiarism, hybrid plagiarism, mashup plagiarism, 404 error plagiarism, aggregator plagiarism, retweet plagiarism. Let's study them in detail. What is clone plagiarism? The term identical copying can also be used to describe clone plagiarism. In this type of plagiarism, someone exactly copies another person's work word for word and then claims it as his own. This is an example of clone plagiarism. What is Ctrl+C plagiarism? It is a type of plagiarism in which a significant portion of content is taken exactly from one source in a written work without any changes. This is an example of Ctrl+C plagiarism. What is find replace plagiarism? Finding and replacing the most frequent words and phrases while leaving the rest of the copied text unchanged is known as find replace plagiarism. This is an example of find replace plagiarism. What is remix plagiarism? Remix plagiarism is a type of plagiarism in which one person gathers data from multiple sources, combines it into one document, and then claims ownership of the work. Example of remix plagiarism. What is recycle plagiarism? Recycling plagiarism is also known as self-plagiarism. It refers to the practice of copying completely from one's own previous work without proper citation. Example of recycle plagiarism. What is hybrid plagiarism? Properly cited source documents are duplicated and rearranged into a new document without citation is the hybrid type of plagiarism. This is an example of hybrid plagiarism. What is mashup plagiarism? A mashup type of plagiarism is when a written piece is plagiarized from multiple sources and combined without necessary citation for each source. You can see the example of mashup plagiarism. What is 404 error plagiarism? In this type of plagiarism, a document is created by copying text from different sources and then preparing it as a single document with citations. However, if the reference is incorrect or leads to non-existent resources, it will be classified as one of the 404 types of plagiarism. This is an example of 404 error plagiarism. What is aggregator plagiarism? This type of plagiarism occurs when a written paper has all the necessary citations but no unique work. Example of aggregator plagiarism. What is retweet plagiarism? Retweet plagiarism is when an entire written article appears flawless with all necessary citations but still has some structural or linguistic similarities to the original work. This is an example of retweet plagiarism. Tips to avoid plagiarism. Before beginning an explanation, read the original material multiple times and make sure you understand it. Do not use any passages from the original document exactly. Be sure to properly cite all of your sources like books, journal, websites, videos, and so on. Add the excess data and the relevant URL in the citation when using online sources. It is necessary to quote and cite common phrases and definitions exactly. Make it a habit to always include a references section while writing research paper or thesis. Before submitting your document, double-check all of your citations. Finally, to confirm the originality of the prepared content, get a plagiarism report from any well-known software. Thank you for watching this video.